Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to cover 100 most important MCQ questions from the Indian economy for the upcoming SSC MTS exam 2025. So please watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's begin. So the first question, the concept of mixed economy was adopted in India during which 5-year plan? Option number B, second 5-year plan. Question number 2, what was the main objective of the first 5-year plan 1951 to 1956 of India? Option number B, development of agriculture and irrigation. Question number 3, which of the following methods is not used for measuring national income? Option number C, revenue method. Question number 4, what is the period of the financial year in India? Option number B, April 1st to March 31. 5, the slogan Garibi Hatao, remove poverty was associated with which 5-year plan? Option number B, fifth 5-year plan. 6, the idea of economic planning in India was derived from which country? Option number B, USSR. 7, NABARD was established on the recommendation of which committee? Option number B, B. Shivaraman committee. Sorry, option number C is the correct answer. B. Shivaraman committee. 8, which of the following is the largest source of India's national income? Option number C, the service sector. 9, Niti Aayog, National Institute for Transforming India, was constituted on? Option number B, January 1st, 2015. 10, which sector of the Indian economy, which sector of the economy is known as the tertiary sector? Option number C, services and utilities. 11, what does GDP, gross domestic product, represent? Option number B, the total value of all final goods and services produced within a country's boundaries in a specific period. 12, which organization publishes the Human Development Index, HDI? Option number C, United Nations Development Program, UNDP. 13, the plan holiday was declared after the failure of which 5-year plan? Option number C, third 5-year plan. 14, the provisions for the constitution of the Finance Commission is made in which article of the Constitution? Option number B, Article 280. 15, which type of unemployment is most prevalent in India? Option number C, disguised unemployment. 16, who presents the Union Budget of India? Option number B, the Finance Minister. 17, when was the new symbol of the Indian rupee officially adopted? Option number B, July 15, 2010. 18, SEBI regulates which sector? Option number C, capital market and stock exchanges. 19, Operation Flood is associated with the production of? Option number C, milk. 20, what is the public revenue and expenditure policy of the Government of India called? Option number B, fiscal policy. 21, which bank is known as the bank of all banks in India? Option number C, Reserve Bank of India. 22, who gives the final approval to the 5-year plans of India? Option number C, National Development Council, NDC. 23, the Green Revolution in India led to the maximum increase in the production of? Option number B, wheat. 24, which of the following is an indirect tax? Option number C, goods and service tax, GST. 25, when does the accounting year of the RBI start? Option number B, 1st July. 26, which index is primarily used to measure inflation in India? Option number B, Consumer Price Index, CPI. 27, what is the repo rate? Option number B, the rate at which commercial banks borrow money from the RBI. 28. Which of the following measure is used by the RBI to control money supply? Option number C, changing the cash reserve ratio, CRR. 29. Who controls the CRR, cash reserve ratio? Option number C, Reserve Bank of India. 30. What does black money generally refer to in Indian economy? Indian economy. Here, option number B is the correct answer. Income that is unaccounted for and on which tax has been evaded. 31. In which year were 14 major commercial banks in India nationalized? Option number B, 1969. 32. What does fiscal deficit signify? Option number B, the difference between total expenditure and total receipts excluding borrowings. 33. What is the result of devaluation of a currency? Option number B, decrease in the external value relative to foreign currency of the domestic currency. 34. Who is responsible for printing currency notes in India? Option number C, Reserve Bank of India. 35. Who issues the 1 rupee note and coins in India? Option number C, Minister of Finance. 36. When was GST, Goods and Service Tax, introduced in India? Option number B, July 1st, 2017. 37. What is the statutory liquidity ratio, SLR? Option number B, the fraction of deposits that banks must keep with themselves in the form of liquid assets, cash, gold, government securities, etc. 38. Which of the following is a quantitative tool of monetary policy? Option number C is the correct answer, bank rate. 39. What does disinvestment mean? Option number C, selling government shares to the private sector. 40. Which is the largest commercial bank in India? Option number B, State Bank of India. 41. FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, replaced which earlier act? Option number A, FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. 42. When was the Planning Commission established in India? Option number C, 1950. 43. Who was the first Indian governor of the RBI? Indian governor. Option number B is the correct answer, C.D. Deshmukh. 44. Which of the following is included in the capital budget? Option number B, government borrowings and lending. 45. When was the Reserve Bank of India established? Option number B, 1st April 1935. 46. Which of the following acts as the regulator for microfinance institution in India? Number C, RBI. 47. The WPI, Wholesale Price Index, measure price changes at the option number C, wholesale level of commodities. 48. What kind of economy is India generally classified as? Option number C, developing and mixed. 49. The Exim Bank is primarily concerned with? Option number B, financing foreign trade, imports and exports. 50. The goal of self-reliance in the 5-year plans was given major importance in which plan? Option number C, 4th. 51. Which is the apex institution for providing credit to the agricultural sector in India? Which is the apex institution for providing credit to the agriculture sector in India? Option number C, NABARD. 52. Which body recommends the minimum support prices for various commodities to the government? Option number C, Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices, CACP. 53. The yellow revolution is associated with the production of. Option number B, oil seeds. 54. The new economic policy, LPG reforms, was introduced in India in which year? Option number C, B is the correct answer, 1991. 55. In the LPG reforms, the L stands for. Option number A, liberalization, and P stands for privatization, and G stands for globalization. 56. The World Trade Organization was established in. Option number B, 1995. 57. Which of the following is included in the current account of the balance of payments? Which of the following is included in the current account of the balance of payments? Option number C, exports and imports of goods and services. 58. The SAGE, Special Economic Zone policy, was launched in India to promote exports and attract foreign investment. 59. Infrastructure generally falls under which sector of the economy? Option number C, tertiary sector. 60. Rapid industrial development was the main focus of the which 5-year plan? Option number B, second. 61. Where is the headquarters of the World Bank located? Headquarters of World Bank. Option number C, Washington, D.C. 62. Which international organization primarily helps poor countries with development loans? Option number C, World Bank. 63. The Blue Revolution is related to the production of. Option number C, fish and other aquatic life. 64. Which bank provides credit to small-scale industrial units in India? Option number C, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. 65. The main aim of the Industrial Policy Resolution of 1956 was to establish a dominant role for the public sector. 66. From an economic perspective, what is India's population considered? Option number C, human capital. 67. What is the contribution of the service sector in a developed country's economy? Option number C, maximum. 68. What is the primary function of the IMF, International Monetary Fund? Option number B is the correct answer, ensuring global financial stability and monetary cooperation. 69. In which year was LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, established? Option number B, 1956. 70. Which of the following is the major source of tax revenue for the Indian government? Option number C, goods and service tax. 71. Special drawing rights, SDRs, are the currency of which international organization? Option number B, IMF, International Monetary Fund. 72. The term demutualization is associated with which sector? Option number C, stock exchange. 73. Under the Manrega scheme, a minimum guarantee of how many days of work is provided to a rural households in a financial year? Option number C, 100 days. 74. What is the formula to calculate primary deficit? Important question. Option number B, fiscal deficit minus interest payments. 75. Which commission is responsible for fiscal federalism in India? Option number C, Finance Commission. 76. Which of the following agencies is responsible for the calculating and releasing the data for gross domestic products in India? Which of the following agencies is responsible for calculating and releasing the data of GDP in India? And option number C, National Statistical Office, NSO. 77. The Mudra Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency, Yojana, provides loans to which sector? Option number C, Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, MSMEs. 78. The Atal Pension Yojana is related to? Option number D, Social Security and Pension. 79. Which body publishes the Financial Stability Report in India? Option number C, Reserve Bank of India. 80. What is meant by disguised unemployment? Option number B, more people are employed in a job than are actually required. 81. The Golden Revolution is associated with the production of? Option number B, horticulture and honey. 82. When did demonetization take place in the Indian economy? Option number B, November 8, 2016. 83. MSME stand for? Option number B, micro, small and medium enterprises. 84. What is India's current share position in the International Monetary Fund? Option number C, 8. 85. What is the stagflation in the economics? Option number A, low growth with high inflation and high unemployment. 86. Land development banks in India provide which type of credit? Option number C, long term. 87. Which of the following is included in the primary sector? Option number C, forestry and fishing. 88. Which is the principal regulatory body for the stock market in India? Option number C, SEBI. 89. Who is regarded as the father of the white revolution in India? Option number C, Varghese Kurian. 90. What was the nature of the Indian economy at the time of independence? Option number B, stagnant and semi-feudal. 91. The PM Jan Dhan Yojana is primarily related to? Option number B, financial inclusion. 92. Which committee is associated with the reforms of public sector banks in India? Option number B, Narasimha Committee. 93. Fiscal policy in India is framed by the? Option number B, Minister of Finance. 94. In which year was the IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, established to regulate the insurance sector? Option number B, 2000. 95. Who is called the lender of the last resort in India? Option number C, Reserve Bank of India. 96. Which 5-year plan period saw India facing two wars, Sino-India and Indo-Pak? Sino-India means China-India. Option number B, third. 97. The concept of inclusive growth was the main objective of which 5-year plan? Option number C, 11th. 98. What are given goods in economics? Option number B, inferior goods whose demand increases when the price rises. 99. In which year was the service tax first introduced in India? Option number C, 1994. 100. The Make in India program was launched on? Option number B, September 25, 2014. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also you can download PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.